guys, so we're going to be making a beef stew in the Instant Pot. So here are the ingredients we're going to be using. Of course, the center of the whole recipe is this boneless stewing beef from Heritage Cattle Company that I got from the True Local box. So 100% grass-fed. And then the rest of the ingredients here, we're going to be using radishes. So I've already kind of cleaned and washed them and cut them to equal size. I also have rutabaga cut to a similar size, and they're both about a pound. I have about half a pound of cremini mushrooms sliced, an onion, 3 stalks of celery, garlic, and then we have some seasonings, parsley, onion powder, salt and pepper, and oregano in the back there. That's what's going to go into the Instant Pot. I'm going to use some avocado oil to brown the meat first, and then also about 2 cups of bone broth that will kind of make the gravy for the stew. After it comes out of the Instant Pot, we'll use a little bit of xanthan gum to thicken it up if it needs to, and then that'll be it. So let's get into it. I'll show you how I make it. This looks great and actually smells even better. Alright guys, what I've done is I've made a little bit of a slurry here with 1 teaspoon of the xanthan gum and a few tablespoons of water, cold water. So I'm going to add this in, but I'm going to be mixing it quickly and well. So here we go, and it goes, and then we'll just mix it in, and this will dissolve. This is still quite warm, so give it a good mix and let it thicken up. Alright guys, so you can see here what the finished stew turned out like. I think it thickened up nicely with the xanthan gum. I think next time I would add a little bit more cold water before adding the slurry into the mixture, but otherwise it did turn out great. All the ingredients in the recipe are listed here now. For full recipe details on how I made it and the steps involved, you can go into the description box below. Here's the nutrition information for the recipe. So this is based on a 1 cup serving and using the ingredients, the amounts, and the brands of the ingredients that I used. So if you're switching out some of the ingredients, it may vary for you. Again, full nutrition information can be seen in the description box below too. And if you guys like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Really does help us out. And also, if you're not already, think about subscribing. We'd love to have you come back. I do weekly recipe videos and also weekly grocery haul and menu planning videos. So until next time, bye-bye.